How to make a post public on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Facebook app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, if you want to make a post public on Facebook, you first want to tap on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you're here, tap on the profile icon to open up your profile. Now scroll down and find the post that you want to make public. Then tap on the three dots. A menu is going to appear. From here, tap on the option of Edit Privacy. Right now, this is set to friends. That means my post will appear in the news feed of my friends. If you want to make this post public, then select the option of public. Once you do that, anyone on or off Facebook will be able to view this post. Once you do that, head back. As you can see, the changes are now being saved. And now this post is public. Going forward, if you want to make your future post public as well, then tap on the What's on Your Mind option. From here, you want to tap on the public option here. If you want to make your post public, select the public option. Then at the bottom, you can see it is set as default audience. That means all your future posts will now be available to public. Now tap on done. Now whatever you post will be available to the public, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.